Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to make pumpkin zucchini soup. If this is something you're interested in, please continue to watch as I tell you how to do it. Here's the results. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get yourself a pumpkin. It can be any sort of pumpkin that you have, and you're going to go ahead and clean it, taking the seeds out, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to chop it up, and you're going to go ahead and boil that and let that cook for about 10 minutes till it's tender. Then you're going to take a zucchini. I got a big one. I cut it in half and I cut it up in some chunks. And then next step, I had 2 stalks of celery. Wash them, clean them, chop them up, and then you're going to go ahead and add that into your zucchini. Then you're going to go and grab a nice size onion. I had a medium size, that's good, and cut that up into little chunks, and there's what that looks like. And then you're going to take yourself a couple carrots. I used about 1 cup baby carrots, and I cut those into little chunks and dumped that in the soup. Then I had some fresh potatoes from our garden, and they're small, but that was okay. I put those in whole, and some of the bigger ones I made into chunks. Add those into your soup. Then I used about 6 cloves of garlic. There, you see that. And I went ahead and chopped those up, added those to the soup. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and leave this cook. It's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes till everything gets nice and tender. And you see how that looks. Then you're going to grab an empty bowl, and you're going to go ahead and grab a colander, and we're going to go ahead and strain the pumpkin because now that's cooked. So go ahead and strain your pumpkin and save the remaining liquid from the pumpkin because we're going to go ahead and add that back into the soup. So after the veggies start cooking a while, you're going to go ahead and add that broth back into the soup. It makes it taste good. Then you're going to add your pumpkin into the soup, and we're going to give that a little stir. Then we're going to go ahead with our spices. So here we have nutmeg. I used a eighth of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Add that into the pot. And then I used 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Love cinnamon in soup. Very good. Makes it taste delicious. We're going to add that in. Okay, next we're going to give it a stir. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some garlic powder. That's a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And then we're going to give that a stir. See, it looks good. Now you're all done. Here it is. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and give this recipe a try. It's delicious.